I'm suing you. Taste justice.
This is a joke, right? For what?
The beatings.
What beatings?
The daily ones.
You have a wild imagination.
I'm the body of sorrow. I'm a roadmap of pain.
Let me see this.
I know you need it, so.
WTF. That this thing is full of twigs and berries.
Justice berries.
Where did you get this?
A reputed law firm.
It looks like it's from the woods.
Nope, it had a lawyer and everything.
That's a bear from the woods.
And that's the situation. Right.